Hi everyone, and welcome back to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm making something really yummy, and it's called Brownie Bomb Bars. So if you've ever had them, you know they are so good, and I need to get going. So I'm making this recipe because I have a meeting tomorrow morning with some really fun ladies. And so one of the ladies is having a birthday at the end of the week. So I thought this would be a really fun dessert and a nice little way to sit around and chit chat while we're meeting. So what I'm gonna do first is make a box of brownies. And I'm gonna mostly follow the directions. There's a little bit of a little less oil that I'm gonna add to it, but I'm going to get started. Letting the brownies come to a complete cool. I know it's tempting. I know you're gonna wanna do it before. I've done it and ruined them. So you're gonna want it to get, not ruined them, just made it harder to spread. So just make sure it comes to room temperature. And then we're gonna take that marshmallow cream. Remember, the recipe's gonna be at the end of the video, and we're going to spread that whole container over the top. I'll save you from making myself look like a fool and making a big mess, but it'll be part of the recipe. It's delicious. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be because I let it come to a complete cool. So now I'm going to do a chocolatey layer where it's going to take chocolate chips and peanut butter. That combo is so good. Let me know if that's one of your favorite combos, because anything really with chocolate is my favorite. So you can throw coconut with it. You can throw like marshmallow with it. I'm all good with that. So peanut butter is good. So we're gonna melt that together in the microwave using like about 1 minute increments or so. You're not trying to scorch your chocolate chips. You're just trying to get them to melt slowly, or and then we're gonna add some Rice Krispies to it. I'm just gonna quickly spray this 1 cup for the peanut butter just to make it easier to have it slide out, and put it in the bowl with the chocolate chips. So just gonna do this really quick. So I am so excited to have my friends try this, because it's like I said, it's her birthday on Friday, one of the ladies, and so I only really need to have about half of the pan, and my kids can't wait to try the other half. So we're gonna get going on this so they can have a taste before they go to bed. It just came out of the microwave. It smells delicious. I'm just getting all that peanut butter mixed in evenly. And what I'm going to add to this is Rice Krispie treats. You heard that. Not treats. Rice Krispies. Maybe I want to make treats. So I'm going to add 3 cups. And then just mix it, mix it, mix it. And then this will be the top layer to our brownies. So these are going to be special brownies. And then we're going to get that all mixed in nicely and then pour it over the top. Oh my, this is looking so good. Just give me the spoon, I'll be good with that. So this is gonna harden up. It's gonna like firm up, and it'll make it, I'll cut them into squares, and it'll make like, it'll hold firm to the brownie. So it'll be like a nice treat on top of it. Look at that, yum, yummo. Okay. It's ready to go put on the brownies now. So isn't this such an easy recipe? I mean, easy, special, just a little extraness to like regular brownies, which I don't mind eating those. And in fact, I do have a recipe to make homemade ones. I don't always make them from a box. I like to use my recipe, and I'll link that below. But this is looking so good. I gotta get every little piece out, and then I'm gonna spread it out, make a nice layer on top. So I'm going to take these and put them in the refrigerator for a couple hours because we want that to be quick. We want it to cool down quicker so I could cut it quicker. So I think you can leave it on the counter. It's up to you, but I think the refrigerator is the way to go. Look at these beauties. I already cut them up, so I'm going to try to get one out here. Oh my. It's almost like a candy bar on the top. Look at that. You guys. Oh, yum. So I can't wait to try it. Because you know that I should do that just in case they are disgustingly gross, right? So I just brought some out to Paul. What do you think?
They're very good.
Very good. Let me come closer here. Oh, yes. Oh. Yum. Oh, look at that. So good. And they are ready to be eaten tomorrow morning. Here's my taste. See how I cut a little tiny piece? Yeah, I'll be going back for more. They're so good. And I really hope that the ladies like them tomorrow, because if they don't, I'm going to eat them all. I'm just kidding. I know they'll love them. So the recipe's at the end of the video. So if you want to make these yummy yummies, there, it's at the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm so glad that you're here, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.